feeling tired, unmotivated, or is feeling like YouTube is now like a job, that is to say that you are burning out. And trust me, you are not alone. The good news is that you will bounce back. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to avoid burnout and stay creative on this YouTube ground. Whether you are stuck in uploading videos or missing your consistency or comparing yourself to others, or just tired of staring at the analytics without seeing any improvements. Let me tell you, on this space, burnout is real, but with the right mindset and zeal with energy, you will succeed and overcome. You can also keep going without losing your spark. Posting every day is very good. In fact, is very, very nice. It's going to benefit you in many ways. Sorry, I had cough. Posting every day is going to benefit you. In fact, you are going to love it until you begin to run out of content, until you want to sleep and you remember that you have not posted video of that day. Also, being consistent is very, very good until you become tired, until in fact, until you begin to hate the process. So it's better for you to post once in a week than posting every day, and you will be it's better you choose weekly consistently than everyday consistently that will crash soon, or you will just disappear on YouTube without we knowing your whereabouts. This is funny because why I'm laughing, because I am on 1 month challenge, which it has been hectic. In fact, I don't know how the word or the right word to use for it. Today on, in fact, I am almost losing out, but I just gathered the strength to make this video. So make a schedule that will fit you, a schedule that you cannot run out, not just because you want to please the algorithm, but something that you can do. The second thing you can do so that you avoid burning out is batch scheduling, filming your video in batch and schedule it ahead of time. Making 2 or 3 videos per session and schedule it. When you do that, it's going to give you time to avoid burnout. So by scheduling your videos or filming your video in batch is going to help you to have a break and also take a rest. Stop going to your analytics. It's good. I'd not say it's not good. It's good to always check your analytics. It's good to always see how far you have gone. It's good to always see how your video is doing. But you see that is going to make you to burn out. It's going to reduce your zeal, especially when you are making the video you did not get what you want, especially when you focus on you want to get viewers, you want to get subscribers, and months, weeks you did not see subscribers and little view. So if you are checking your analytics every time, remember that there are some of your video that needs to take time to blow up. So just focus on making the videos and posting it. Forget that analytics is going to come up on his own at the right time. So the next one is for you to take a break. So I'm giving you permission. Go and take a break. Take a break. Take a break without guilt, without remembering anything, without feeling anyhow. Take a break is natural. It's normal. It's normal to take a break. Because if you did not take a break, you will burn out. So just take a break and you will bounce back. Why did I say you should take a break? Because you are not machine. You are not a machine. You are a human being. Take a break. Rest. Go and recharge your energy. Recharge yourself. That's where it's going to, go and recharge. When you recharge yourself, you will come back and bounce back. When you take a break, you will come back stronger. Even bigger YouTubers do that. When they are exhausted, when they feel that they when they felt that they have burnout, they will take a break. So you have to take a break. So when you take a break, you will see how amazingly well you will do. The next one is do what you love. When I mean you should do what you love, because when you focus on content that you don't love, that is another way that you can burn out. So focus on content that you love, so that you don't just easily burn out. Instead of you to be chasing a trending or chasing things that you don't love, focus on content that you love. So when you do it naturally on what you love, you will see people following you, you will see people subscribing, liking your videos, because you just do natural, you just do you. So focus on what you love. By that way, it's going to help you not to break down. Now, the next thing is find a creator, find a supporter, just enter group, join group. I know this journey can make you to feel lonely. This content creating of a thing or YouTuber, you can become lonely. But when you join group, when you join other creators and you collaborate with them, and you people do things in common, you will find out that you are going to bounce back. You will now feel free and not burn out, because you have an encouragers. Things happen sometimes because we felt that we are alone. You are not alone. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.